Hello everyone, hope you're alright. Welcome to another day in the life of window cleaner vlog. It's me and Matthew. We're working today locally. So I'm in a place called Holt, and then just very close by to that is a place called Gedney Hill. We've got a total of 17 cleans and we've had one skip. So it would have been 18, but that's life. So let's see how we get on. The weather should be nice, sun's out, but it's still a bit chilly in the shade, hence the buffaloes on. And yeah, I'm sure it's going to be a good day. It's 1 p.m. I've just had to pop home. We're out of water in the main tank. Rather than just chucking in our spare water, I'm close to home, so we're just going to refill up and then pop out. We're in Holt, which is right next to where I live anyway. And we've got 6 more cleans left to do, and that's done. One of them is in and out, including the conservatory as well. So that one's last. Hopefully it won't be boiling hot in the conservatory, or I'm going to lose some weight fast. So yeah, just going to fill up with water and then get cracking. And yeah, Buffalo's off, sun's out. Just been chatting to another window cleaner in Gedney Hill. So all right, Joe, nice speaking to you, mate. And let's crack on. That's me and Matthew home just after 4 p.m. 16 cleans done. We've had another skip, but all in all, still been a good day. And for the internal job, that's a money booster as well. So we've done some good money today, really, for us anyway. So yeah, and the sun's been out. It's still chilly with the wind, but when you're out of the wind, it's definitely hot. As you can see, the Buffalo's still off. So looking forward to this warmer weather getting here, but it's going to bring back the old problems, innit? Bees' nests, wasps' nests hanging about, pollen on the glass, all that good fun and games. But I can put up with that. And then, yeah, this little plastic scraper has been working all right, actually, and used it on the last job on the insides. And it got through some sticky stuff that the plants left. So yeah, so far so good. Anyway, that's it for me. Like, subscribe, and see the next video that YouTube recommends for you, and see you in the next video. Take care.